So to calculate the AR for chlorine, you're going to multiply the mass number, which is 35, times its percentage abundance, plus 37, which is the mass number of the second isotope, by 25, which is its percentage abundance, all over 100. And that gets you 35.5. So this time we're going to work out the percentage abundance of each isotope. So it's going to be 35x plus 37 times 100 minus x all over 100 equals 35.5. And then just solve that. So we find 2x is 150. If x is 75, then the other value must be 25%. So you may want to pause the video until you've had time to work this one out. So it's going to be 28x plus 29 times 96.9 minus x plus 3.1 times 30 all over 100 equals 28.1. And then just solve that. Gives you x to be 93.1. So, chlorine 35 plus, 37 plus, and these are the diatomic gases. So the first one is going to be 35 plus, 35 or 37 plus, and 37 plus. The ratio of the diatomic gases are going to be 9 to 6 to 1. Now why 9 to 6 to 1? Well, this is all to do with probability. And we know that chlorine 35 is 3 times more abundant than the chlorine 37. Now as a fraction, that's going to be 3/4 to 1/4. So for the 35, it's going to be 3/4 times 3/4 is 9/16. For the 35, it's going to be 3/4 times 1/4. And for the 37, it's going to be 1/4 times 3/4, which makes the total of that 6/16. And for the 37, it's 1/4 times 1/4 equals 1/16, making the ratio 9 to 6 to 1. Now again, you may want to pause the video until you've had time to try that one yourself. So it's going to be 79x plus 81 times 100 minus x all over 100 equals 79.9. Solving that gives you x to be 55 and the Br81 is therefore going to be 45%. Now the mass to charge ratio for the diatomic bromine gas, based on the fact that we've got two isotopes, Br79 plus and Br81, is going to be 158, which is the 7979. We're going to have the 160, which is the 7981 plus, or the 8179 plus, and we've got 162, which is the 8181 plus. So the relative peak heights for the diatomic bromine. Well, we see that the two isotopes, 79 and 81, are 50-50 or half to half. So therefore, the 79 diatomic bromine is going to be a half times a half equals 1/4. For the 7981, it's going to be a half times a half equals 1/4. And for the 8179, it's going to be a half times a half is 1/4. So 1/4 and 1/4 is 2/4. And for the 8181, it's going to be a half times a half is 1/4. So the ratio is going to be 1 to 2 to 1.